Your Piedmont experience starts here. Houses in Piedmont Real Estate. Find your dream home in a fairy tale landscape.
Discover your dream home in the heart of Piedmont, Italy. Welcome to Cortemilia, the enchanting hazelnut capital of Alta Langa. Imagine waking up to breathtaking views in a region celebrated for its UNESCO heritage landscapes, exquisite food, and world-class wines. Cortemilia offers the perfect blend of serene countryside, living with easy access to vibrant towns, stunning mountains, and the beautiful Ligurian coast. Step inside this charming, independent house, perfectly situated in Cortemilia's town center. Enjoy the ultimate convenience with all services just steps away, no car needed. This spacious home features 2 levels, including a bright living area, a functional kitchen, 2 cozy bedrooms, and a lovely private garden. Recent upgrades like new PVC windows and a well-maintained roof ensure comfort and peace of mind. Don't miss this unique opportunity to embrace the Piedmontese dream.